and should be avoided. As Secretary of Health and Human Services, my message is clear: eat real food.
From the podium in the White House briefing room, Trump administration officials literally put the food pyramid on its head this week, flipping concentration of what Americans should eat more and less of in their diets.
Protein and healthy fats are essential and were wrongly discouraged in prior dietary guidelines. We are ending the war on saturated fats. Diets rich in vegetables and fruits reduce disease risk more effectively than many drugs.
Sugars used in sweetened beverages like soda have been targeted before by the administration and most recently by USDA in their calls for change in how food benefits should be spent.
This is the foundation that will make America healthy again, not just for those of us alive today, but for our children and our children's children and those coming behind.
Dramatically more protein is being proposed from the previously recommended levels. However, many Americans are already ahead of the mark.
I would caution people when they see that news to think about how they eat and how much protein they eat, and maybe that's one place where critical thinking is really important.
The National Pork Producers Council applauded the plan, quote, putting pork front and center on the plate, unquote. The guidelines are released every 5 years as required by law. This version calls for more whole foods and fewer highly processed foods. The American Soybean Association acknowledges the role soybean oil and soy protein play in the health and nutrition of Americans. However, they remain deeply concerned by the rhetoric and selectively cited studies regarding the health and safety of soybean oil in DGA supporting material. Food policy experts say the White House promised a sharp departure from previous plans, and the news this week delivered.
The guidelines also talk about the need to balance calories appropriately and to keep saturated fat at 10% of calories, which is going to be very hard to do if you're eating full-fat dairy and meat.
For Market to Market, I'm David Miller.